In the sea of social media, if your caption doesn't grab someone in the first 3 seconds, they're scrolling right past your brilliant content. That's a huge problem. This isn't just a basic rewrite this prompt. We're hiring a world's best copywriter inside ChatGPT. The goal? To take your existing thought, your little caption idea, and instantly upgrade it with all the things a professional copywriter would use. A powerful hook, perfect emojis, strategic line breaks, and a clear call to action. It's designed to make your audience stop scrolling. Here's the full prompt you'll need. You can copy and paste this directly. Imagine your world's best copywriter. Your task is to transform the following Instagram caption into a more captivating and engaging version. Incorporate unique emojis, strategic line breaks, a powerful hook, and a compelling call to action. The writing tone should be insert desired tone. Let's break down how to use this effectively. It's a simple two-step process. Step 1. Set the tone. See that part that says insert desired tone? This is crucial. If you want a fun, witty post, type in humorous and playful. If you're selling a high-ticket item, use professional and results-focused. This one adjustment completely changes the output. Step 2. Add your caption. Right after the prompt, paste the original, boring caption you started with. Don't worry if it's bad, that's the point. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. ChatGPT now wears the copywriter hat and gets to work. Let's run a quick example. Let's say your niche is personal fitness coaching. Your original caption: I worked out this morning and it was hard. Try my new guide for more tips. Let's put that boring caption in with the tone set to motivational and inspiring. See the difference? The hook grabs you, the line breaks make it readable, and that call to action is impossible to ignore. That's the power of this single prompt. I use this prompt every single day to save hours of staring at a blank screen. It's your new secret weapon. Give it a try and let ChatGPT surprise you. If you found this quick tip valuable, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And of course, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.